In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen CC key fob. There are two devices that look almost identical, but have different processes of opening them up and changing the battery. So the first is the one I have here that has the indicator light up there in the top right corner. And there's another that has the indicator light down here. So their processes will be different. So essentially, if you have one of the ones with the light up here, whether it has 3 buttons, 4 buttons, doesn't matter. If you have this indicator light up in the top right-hand corner, you can follow along with me here. If you have the other one, check the link in the description. We have a video for that device as well. And all you'll need to replace your battery in here is just the battery itself, which is a CR2032. And you can get these online, and there will be a link in the description for this as well, an Amazon listing for these batteries for a great price. First step is just flip out the internal key. And then if you look on the back, there's this back section of plastic. We're just going to be pushing that up from inside where the key just was. So you'll just find that lip right there, hold up on the top because that will not be moving, and just push. And this back piece will come right off. And if that feels a little bit difficult, you can take a large coin or something like that. You can just insert it in that bottom area and twist, and that will make it a little bit easier for you. From here, you just want to find where the 2 tabs are up on towards the top of the device. And you can just push down on the battery right in that area. Just gently push and it will come free. When you're putting your new CR2032 battery into your device, you want to make sure that the positive side with the plus sign on it is facing up. And what you want to do is just push it down under those 2 tabs and then click it down into place so that it sits flat. Now you can just put the back section of plastic back on there and make sure you snap it down securely into place. And if you'd like to test that you did everything correctly, you can check to make sure that that light is coming on. If this video helped you out, feel free to drop us a like or let me know about it down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have you covered here on this channel, as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.